In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Snapchat message history. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up Snapchat. Once Snapchat is open, go to your profile and go to the gear selector. From there, scroll way down until you see privacy controls and my data. Click on my data and then here just select what do you want to download. Click on next. Before you click on submit, you can change the date range for anywhere you want. And from there, click on submit. And it will take a few moments or maybe a few days until you get a copy of the files. But basically you will get an email that will say something like your data is ready. You click on this zip, you download it on your phone or you can do it on your desktop. And then you will have access to all of your chat history, messages, and things like that. So that's how you do it. That's how you see all the message history. Now, if this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. This video helped me out. If this video didn't help you out, let me know in the comments what was the problem, and I will do my best to help you out.